Then is the homework done?
Yes.
What homework done? One paper all of you got done. What is the paper about? Linear equation, no? How many of you got? You did not do. You did not do. You want to very good right now. Check the marks. I'm not asking. There are people with just 1 mark, 0 marks. Linear equation chapter. You have got 14. I did see you in the last class. Why you are absent? Tired. Tired of attending that. Then,
Like I had an injury and everything.
homework done. Yes, no. Who said no? You done? All of you done? Tavi, homework is done. What homework is done? 10 sums. Last week you not done anything. Altogether 10 sums you done. Sit down, only. What chapter you done? Homework? Lines and angles homework. Stay with me.
No.
Sit down. You have done this term. Huh? What homework done? And angles. Or where you done? Homework. Triangles and how many you see done altogether? 10 sums. Triangles and equal geometry. Together 10 sums. In equal geometry, what you done? What you have done in Euclid geometry, my dear child? 5.1. You, this guy boy, Sarthak, what Sarvesh is not there. 2-3 boys are Sarvesh. They have one coming or something. Huh? Rohan. Huh? What is it? Loudly speak. What is he telling something? What did he tell? Did you follow? Anyone followed? I did not follow. Last. So how many sums you are done? Till 12. Till 12 he has done. What he has done? Which chapter you have done till 12? Triangles. 19. From which chapter?
Triangles, experience exercise and polynomials.
Okay, round formula. How many questions are done? 10. Same thing copied. Both together done. Different sums. And you? Lines and angles. Lines and angles around formula. Chalo, let's start now. I don't know. But maybe one people also. Friends are coming by one. Who's coming by one? Not in the one. Then Sarvesh where is it? Rohan where is it? Another one. Okay, chalo, let's come. I'm sure Vivan, I didn't see you for a long time. Trinity, switch on the video. Tanmitra only was there. Trinity also is not nowadays not coming out. Okay, chalo, lesson. Okay. So take out this one. What doubts or difficulties you have? Anyone? How are you? You forgot the way. Then why you late?
Because of Saina.
Pakka na? Later don't tell. She will shout at me.
No,
Why she shouting? Homework done now? Which chapter? Which chapter? Triangles. Okay. What is it? Sure, because of Saina, you are getting late. Okay, no, I'll shout at her, then don't do it. All are there, one more. Sarvesh is coming to me. Okay. Chalo. You have any doubt? You have any doubt? No, you yourself. mainly, hello, Euclid postulates, axioms, please learn. If it is there, means mainly that is coming. One there is counting the number of pages. Brishti, linear equation chapter test paper mark we got. Huh. Why you are late? Sleeping at all? You very stay. Sector for walking distance only now. This is sector 4 only now, this sector 5. 7. Now with the Rohan. He will come at sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I was sleeping. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, you wanted to tell something? Okay. So postulates and theorems and done. We are done the exercise 5.1 now. Okay. Equivalent postulates you have learned. There are. Adya, read the 2 equivalent. Read, stand up there. Read that heading of there are 2 equivalent postulates now. Read that complete part.
For every line. For every line and for every point, not like one L, there exists a unique line and passing through P and parallel. From figure, you can see that all of the lines passing through the point P to the line has parallel line L.
Have you followed this one? Followed what is the condition? There is a line L and there is a point P. Sit down, sit down. Through this point P, how many lines can pass through? In fact, lines can pass through. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Through this point P, there is a unique. You know what is the meaning of unique? Only one and only line passing through P and parallel to L. There are infinite one lines passing through, out of which only one line will be parallel to this line. That is the condition. With this one, they have given the result of the following. What is it on?
Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line.
Have you followed this one? If there are 2 intersecting lines are there, if 2 lines are intersecting, can it be both of them are parallel to a same line? If I draw this one, if I draw this way, this one line L1, L2 and L3. Here, what is it? Which and which are parallel? L1 and L2 are, sorry, L1 and L3 are parallel. But L1 and L2 and L3 will not be parallel. Both cannot be parallel to the same line. That is a condition. Or if I draw one parallel here, it will not be parallel. Okay, that's the first step. Second one.
Now the distance of a point from a line is the length of the perpendicular. From the point to the line, this distance will be the same for any point from L and any point from L from L. So these 2 lines are exactly that distance.
Have we followed the 2, 3 conditions are given in this statement? Here, there is a point P. How to find out the distance between P and point L? How do you find out the distance between P and point L? Perpendicular. You can draw a lot of lines like now. The one which is perpendicular. This is called the distance between P and L. I can draw this way. I can draw this way. They are not the distance. One which is perpendicular. Since construction you have studied now. Don't study construction. Not in 9, 8, 7, 6 years studied now. Who knows how to draw the perpendicular from P to this line? And I tell now. You have a line L and you have a point P. You have to draw a perpendicular to through the point L. Sorry, through the point P and perpendicular. Tell. From here.
The line.
Line L is not line. Can you take a measurement? Midpoint of L. This is what. My dear, what is this one? Line. What is the meaning of line? Can you measure the length of a line? Can you measure what is this arrow means? Infinite. There is no measurement. You draw this way. I will draw this way. What is the meaning? Is it a length, small line or big line? It is going in. No, midpoint nothing. How will you draw? That's a question. Sorry, you cannot take the distance. You open the commas, then I'll give you a commas. Can you take? You cannot take. How do you draw the distance? Distance will be taken one point to another point now. How? Which point? Anyway, I'll take this point. Mid. Okay, why? At the midpoint, there is no midpoint for a line now. What is this half? Sorry, there is a point. Where is a half? That is not this one. What? Hello, you are talking about what? I tell you what you are talking. Shh. You know what you are talking about? You all both of you. If the point is here, from here you draw the arc this way, and if you put two arcs this way, okay, either this way or semicircle, then more than half cut. Then draw the perpendicular. That is when the point is on this line. How will you come from this? How will you construct? Hello, to make it intersecting. This is what intersecting. This is that intersecting. All are straight lines. You can just keep the scale and draw. That is not the construction. So I can have this also. I could have done this way. No. Why you have to draw all these things? I can draw this way. Okay, done. Perpendicular. Finish construction done. Why here also you can do this? What is it? That is point is on the line now. You are showing this one. What is? Where is the point? Is the line out? What is the meaning of line? Well, here. See. Hello, listen here. All of you listen. What is the first one? Ray, RS. What is this one? Is all the three things the same thing?
No.
What is the meaning of this one? Have one endpoint and it extends indefinitely. Can you measurement? Can you find it midpoint? You can. Is there any endpoint? One endpoint is there, no midpoint. So come over here. Do this have an endpoint? Can you measure? Can you find it midpoint? No. Okay. Now, how about this one? They have a definite length. So you can measure. If you want, you can find out the midpoints. Are you followed? If a line means you cannot find out any midpoints. Understood? Now look, how to draw means if this point is, you fix the needle of the compass over here. Open the compass in such a way that it will cut this way. Have you seen this time any time? And these are the 2 points, let's say A and B, where it is intersecting. From here, more than half cut. From here, say more than half equal. Then join it. This is the perpendicular. It is not that simply joining it. This is called construction. So then here it is perpendicular. So if it is meeting at the point Q, this length PQ is called the distance. Are you followed? Okay. You cannot take any point from here and here. That is line segments. And line segments also, you cannot take this perpendicular construction. Here, suppose if it is take P, point is over here. Can you take the midpoint and join? No. Perpendicular will come this way, na? Midpoint may be here. Okay, so don't think about this is construction part that we will be discuss again in the construction. Anyway, so what is the meaning of point distance between point and a line? Remember, it is the perpendicular distance. What is the distance between point and a line? Perpendicular distance. When two lines are parallel, the distance between them is always equal. Distance means always perpendicular distance. This side draw perpendicular distance, this is perpendicular distance. All these things are equal because it's a parallel to each other. Okay, perpendicular distance are equal. That is it. Okay. Yeah. Unsolved exercise for 5.2. You are done classwork. These two questions. You have to do it yourself. Okay. Explain to me. Which is expert in explaining. What is Vrishti? Vrishti, how are you? Fine now? Okay. So unsolved exercise 5.2, you have to explain. Arya, what happened? Why are you throwing her things down? Okay. MCQs, you are done or not? Rima, Reva, Reva. Achha, this is Reena. So what is it one by one? Close the bio, etc. No. And so, what I will look here. Exercises you will do it, multiple MCQ and all. Should I explain anything? No need now. And previous board questions. But Diya, some drum beating or something is going on. Okay, Diya, read one question. First question of previous board question. We will stop that after. You will jump to a lot of times taken. Yes. Diya, read the first question.
In the given figure, it is given that angle A is equals to angle 4.
Angle A is equal to angle 4.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. It can be shown that if angle 2 is equals to angle 4, then angle 1 is equals to angle 6.
Okay. You have to explain simply. Don't tell me. I can do it. You will explain. Let her explain now. I is not giving a chance. She is looking at me always. Sir, you ask me read and others are giving answers. This one. Diya, you wanted to give the answer? Have we seen the figure? Angle 1 is equal to which one? 4. And angle 2 is equal to 3 and 2 are equal. By which Euclid axiom? It can be shown that if 2 and 4 are equal, then 1 and 3 are equal.
Axiom 1.
What is axiom 1?
Things which are equal to one another.
Equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So it is it or not? Yes, I. Same thing only now. Show the hand this time. Raise this time. So angle 1 is equal to angle 4, 3 is equal to 2. Then since 2 and 4 are equal, therefore things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Simply don't write axiom 1. You have to write that axiom also. Okay, understood. Axiom number. Postulate you have numbering is there. Okay, this way questions you have to do it. You can do now.
Yes.
We don't need to do that, spend the time for doing this one now. Okay. Okay. Please study triangles. Lines and angle test is done. So this one. Please practice and get mark. I should not see that one. 2 mark, 3 mark, 1 mark. Okay. This take this and you this one. UT volume and practice. Today onwards, your practice should be like that. These lines and angles are there for your exams now.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. I need all of you must write the test paper. Yes means I think last class there 5 people only wrote the test paper. In your requirement, how many of you appeared the test paper? So mark also has come now. Hey, why they are giving? Mark also has come now. Those who got more than 12 standard. You late attempted now. How much you got? 14. 14. Shh. You? How much you got? 30. Late attempt now? No. Late attempt. Sit down. 10 to 12. How much you got? 10. 11. 12. 10. 10, 11, 12. Less than 10. Less than. Hi, sir. Then, kya pata? What happened? Did not study. On last time, whenever she used to tell sir 14, sir 15, Now what happened? Not steady. Survey, sorry. Sarthak. I know your mark. I'll tell everyone. Then mummy come. Then I'll. This Sunday, Monday, mummy is coming. Then, huh? PTM, no, she will come over here. I'll bring her over here. I'll tell you, you're not studying. Shall I? And you what? How much you got, Prishti? I don't know. Less mark. Tavish, what did you get? I don't know. You did not appear. Sit down. Okay, lines and angles, do it. Arya's painting is going on. What painting is done? Okay. Oi, what happened? The Priyanshi is any problem? What is the problem? Are tell na, we will solve. Huh? What happened? Then what? Triangle test will not be there. Huh? One I'll give, okay. All will appear, everything. Huh? I'll call parent. Hello. Hello, triangle. This time it is not there in the text paper now. Who's the triangle is not there? Ma'am said, this chapter, it's continuation in the 9th, 10th standard is there. Ma'am will tell, don't do that. Yeah. The 10th year appearing? I'll pass. So that also you're not sure. Huh? You how many times I have to read what is the okay, read what 14 question MCQ, no? Okay, read.
Then the two straight angles if produced indefinitely on the side of this on which the sum of the angle is.
Is okay, you don't know. It's MCQ what? Page number 68. Okay, so read once again. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, who is that talking there? Falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side, whose sum is 120 degree. Then the two straight lines produced, if produced indefinitely, meet on the side which sum of the angles is, what is it? Equal to 120 degree. Okay, equal to 120 degree. See here the figure if you are taking this one. This A plus B is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, here A plus B is 120 degrees. So, which side? This side they will meet. Understood or not? Okay, that is the Euclid's which postulate? Fifth postulate. Followed now? Problem is solved now? Okay, that is it. Chalo. Next chapter is called Quadrilaterals. Have you heard about quadrilateral?
Yes.
Yes, no. Tanika not about quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral? Fourth side. Polygon with the four sides is called the quadrilateral. Yes. Four-sided polygon. What the hello Ravi? The polygon with four sides is called what? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, how many sides are there?
Four.
How many angles are there?
Four.
Four. How many vertices are there?
Four.
Okay. Do you know what are do you know what is the meaning of diagonal?
Yes.
What is the meaning of diagonal? What is the meaning of diagonal? Nothing do what I said for diagonal.
Connects to
Opposite vertices. Any two vertices can be side also, na? What do you mean by diagonal? Opposite vertices. For a quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there? Two. Hello, Vivan. Are you there? Not responding. Tanmitra, can you hear me? Nobody can hear me.
Yeah, 3 times.
One is here. Hi. Srinidhi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you are showing me your fan and tube lights.
No, sir.
Then, Anshul, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then why cannot see you are behind the curtain? Remove the curtain from the front of the camera. Chalo. Somebody went. Chalo. Okay, where were you since long? The 2 weeks I did not see you people.
Sir, I had my school MUN going on.
School exams are going on. Who is
School
sitting with,
MUN.
who is sitting with you?
No one.
There was one child, baby was sitting with you.
My brother.
Chalo. Okay now. So if I write A, B, C, D, see this way figure is drawn this way and writing. Do you know what is the meaning of this one? Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. Tanish, Tavish, what are the vertices of this quadrilateral? Are you telling something? Then tell. Sanika standard. What are the vertices of this? Who is it? You. Switch off. Huh? Right? Yes. Vertices are A, B, C, and D. Okay, sit down. Prishti, what are the sides of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D? Stand up. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. Do you know? Yes. A, B, B, C, C, D, E, A, D or A, D. AC side. AC is the side. Understood or not? A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. Look here. D, A or A, D, same thing. Okay. Yes. What is this one? Dia, what are the diagonals of this quadrilateral? A. And going right. AC and BD. AC and BD. Without why and wait. Hello, listen. He started sleeping. Are beating na? Are I was. You're telling me, are? Look, without drawing the figure also you should know. Now all of you look here. Now look over here. What type of figure is this one? Quadrilateral. All of you are looking over here. Are what you people are writing? Rahi, listen here. She is painting and painting is going on. Are listen. What you have to write? Nothing to write. Listen now. Quadrilateral. What quadrilateral? That is the problem. This is not A, B, C, D. So you have to, that is why don't make this famous. So A, B, C, D. Understood now? Now, without drawing this figure, you should know what are the sides over here? A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. What are the vertices? A, B, C, D. Which are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay, which are the diagonals? AC and BD. This much is clear, all of you? No, AC and BD. Do you know what is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? 360 degree. Who will prove sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree? Tell. ABC. ABC plus CBA. CDA. What else? Yes. She is telling you, you're telling big but now. Angle sum property of the triangle is what? This girl is shouting at me. Come here. Come tell her, someone explain. That you know. Well, explain. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So as the two triangles as it is equal to 180. That you said. Please the diagonal. Did you tell diagonal? Any one diagonal. Diagonal divide the quadrilateral into how many? Half? No, two triangles. It may not be half or not. I will ask the UT people remove the bench and desk and make you to sit down. One things are filling there. See, consider triangle ABC. Sum of the angles is equal to how much? 180. Sum of the angles equal to 180. Add both of them. Then BAC and DAC together will be angle A. Angle BCA plus ECA together will be angle C. So A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degrees. Are you followed? If the question is coming, prove the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree means you will write. All of you can write it. Prishti, are you followed? What do you follow? Something. Huh? Loudly speak. What is quadrilateral? Standard. Polygon with four sides. How many sides are there? How many angles are there? How many vertices are there? How many diagonals are there? Two. So now, in this quadrilateral, which are the diagonals? AC and BD. Okay, is it AB is a side? Or AB is a diagonal? No. Okay, so what is sum of the angles of the quadrilaterals? 360 degrees. Did you hear what she said? You know, this man, I will take the total and which on the me. You have heard what all things I asked her. Yes or no? This man, I don't know what he will. Okay, now, next is, all of you close that volume and listen. So this much you followed angles and property. Now, and we are going to do the types of quadrilaterals. Have you heard about types of quadrilaterals? Those who know the types of quadrilateral standards. Anything? I asked to close the volume. Hey, cheating. But all of them know that. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. One is trapezium. Come here. Draw a trapezium and show. All of you sit down. Almost everyone. Trapezium. Why it is called a trapezium? Reason how to identify. Do you know why it is called trapezium? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Suppose if I draw this way. Is it a trapezium?
Yes.
This way also is trapezium. What happened? Yes, standard. You want to draw? What do you want to draw? Square. What is it? What is the square? Let me hear. Four-sided. All four-sided space. Is it all four-sided figures are square? So these are, hello, you know, how many sides are these one? Four sides. So it's a square, no? No. Sit down. Okay. Next one. Yes. Parallelogram. Come here. Keep quiet here. Sit down. Okay. Why it is called a parallelogram?
It's both the opposite sides.
Both the pairs of, put the hand down. Both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. It is coming as a trapezium. Both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. It is called a parallelogram. Understood all of you? Okay. There is a special type of trapezium. Those who know raise their hand. Yes. Right angle? Right. Right. I will put all the tie on kite and I will also throw you. Wrong. Yes. No. Very good. Isosceles trapezium. Have you heard about isosceles trapezium? What is isosceles trapezium? Non-parallel sides are equal. These sides are parallel. These sides are not parallel. If the non-parallel sides are equal, that trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Its property will come again. And this man is, I will throw all the three outside, okay? Full time he is time pass will do. And he got 1 mark in linear equation. I have to make it here. I'm not telling anyone. Still here, he. Shameless man. I'll take these all things, these all things and I'll throw it away. You come to me. Bye. Okay. Ari, did you hear what is isosceles trapezium?
Yes.
And what is isosceles? Now I'll tell the girls to start it. That's what they are listening now. Next, parallelogram, all of you followed what is it? Next one, another figure. Yes. Okay, come and draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Why it is called a rectangle?
Opposite sides are equal.
Opposite side here also opposite sides are equal.
All the sides are equal.
All not sides are 90. All angles are 90 degrees. Sides cannot be 90 degree, understood? So if all angles are 90 degree, that figure is called which one? Rectangle. Another figure. Rhombus. Come and draw the rhombus. You drawn now one.
Parallel.
What? That is parallelogram. So why it is called a rhombus?
All the four sides are equal and diagonals are also.
Huh? How do you say diagonals are equal? It is sure no. Later don't tell. Later say no sir no. All four diagonals will come. Okay, it's not correct. All four sides are equal. When all four sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. Diamond shape. Okay. Even we can draw the rhombus this way also. Okay. All sides are equal only. Okay. Parallelogram is not a rhombus. Okay. Oh. Okay, happy now? Now happy. Okay, now. Okay. Now, rhombus all of you followed. Parallelogram all of you followed. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal. This much is clear. Square all of you know. Boy said nobody draw. Okay, square. Boy said. These all girls only drawn now. One boy also get the chance now. And one boy is doing time pass.
So all the angles are 90 degrees
Then
are the same.
Huh?
And all sides are same.
all sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Another figure is there. Oh, very famous. Okay, come. Since long time. Hare sir. What is it you are drawing?
Sides are equal.
What? Hey. Two equal sides are equal. What is telling? Two equal sides are equal. Huh? Those who know what is a kite? Hey, again. Close the book. Well, upper opposite side. Upper and lower. Opposite sides. Adjacent sides. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Stand up there. Come here. Now you. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. That is called. Come here. Do you know what is the meaning of come here? Kite is called come here. You go and sit in the last bench and sleep. Come here, kite. Here, in a way, joker of the class now. Ami. We think this type of figure. What is this figure? This is called the arrowhead. Arrowhead. These two are equal, these two are equal. You don't have anything to do with equal. Right, okay. You have to remember, kite also not most of the things are not there. Mainly you are going to study about this one. So types of parallelogram, sorry, types of quadrilaterals you wrote in your book. Right. Types of quadrilaterals. Right. Did you write the chapter name?
Yes.
Are standard? Did you sign? No. So after then, mommy has come down. Go. Hello. You all of you, those who are signed that, please. Please, you come with So right now, some of the angles of a quadrilateral chapter heading written?
Yes.
Okay, one by one, right? Right. It is a polygon of 4 sides.
We were writing the time.
You first you write, it is a polygon of 4 sides. It is a polygon of 4 sides. Of how many sides? 4 sides. How many angles are there? 4 angles. It has 4 angles. Comma. It has 4 angles. These are not definition. I'm just telling description. Okay. How many vertices are there? It has 4 vertices. Then. Next slide. Okay. Next is, what is it? It has 2 diagonals. It has 4 vertices. It has right now. It has how many? 4 diagonals. 2 diagonals. Okay. Next, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360 degrees. Okay. Which much you written?
Yeah.
Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Angles of property. Now, next. Okay. Next, types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Of quadrilaterals. Okay. Now, types of quadrilateral, if you know now. Okay. Now it is not starting with square. First one is what? Write in this order. Trapezium. Just write the order. Spelling all of you know.
Why do you have to write in order?
There are specific reasons are there. I'll tell you. Parallelogram. Rectangle. Who is that? Rhombus. Square. Together written. Leave one space and write kite. Do that white. Leave one, I tell you, no, there are reasons. One line space. Is there any space between them? No. Leave one space and write kite means how much space? And then one space, I said, no, what do you mean by one space? One line. You want to put 2 lines? Okay. Okay. Now, because kite does not belong to this category. That is why you will study a rectangle is a parallelogram. whereas kite cannot be in this category. Understood or not? Parallelogram is a trapezium. Understood? Opposite is not. That is why order is written. This way looking, it's coming. Understood or not? Rhombus is not a square. Square is a rhombus. But rhombus cannot, all rhombus are not. Okay. Now look here. What you have to do means you have to make the figures of all one small figures you can make now. Not with rough, with use the scale and pencil and make it one. And mark each other one. This girl, I will make you to sit down only. First time you are using my thought. At school also one each other. You have same school, you know, same thing. This school also same thing happens. That's I'm doing. This is how many? Okay, chalo, time over. Bye bye. Practice the sound, please. Okay, bye. Okay.